If you are wondering what is the IP rating of Nothing Phone 4a, then let me just quickly share that information with you. So on the Nothing website, we can find out that the device is certified IP64 for full resistance to splashes, water, and dust under specific laboratory conditions. However, this water resistance is applicable only in controlled environments and may not correspond to typical consumer use. So of course, while in theory we do have IP64 rating, which means that the phone is dust tight and water resistant, at least to water splashes, in reality, the result might be a little bit different. You definitely do not want to test that with your phone and verify that information. And also there is manufacturer rated water resistant information. So apparently the phone can be immersed up to 25 centimeters of water for 20 minutes. So this is the information that we can find on the Nothing website, as I mentioned. But once again, you don't really want to test that theory by yourself. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.